wrong?
Did you see that?
What happened?
When I was cutting the tomatoes, they just so enjoy like this.
It's so funny.
What is
Okay,
happening?
cut this one also.
What is happening?
Right there.
What is happening to us?
You-
Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some matar paneer. First thing to do is just wait for this to be eat.
Eat. Make it hot.
No heat.
Okay.
And
Then, what do you need?
you first you have to wait.
Wait. Now, I'm gonna help you put it.
I'm gonna
No. Slowly. Wait. I'll do it. Okay.
and you will help me.
You have to stir slowly. Okay.
Welcome to my cookie. See, I'm good at cooking.
Really?
Let's see. Let's
We have to make but slowly. Now wait for it.
now you just wait a little.
Keep it here. Spoon. Yes. Now, how are you gonna make matar paneer? You know how to make matar paneer?
Yeah. First, this has to be. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit.
Okay. Then.
Little more.
Okay.
When this turns into fry, then I will put some matar.
Okay. Then paneer.
Right now we just have
No. We don't need anything there.
Right now we just have to look at this beautiful picture.
Outside.
Yeah,
Outside looks nice.
yeah, I was saying. And look at this beautiful pot with some spoon and spatula. We can cook with that.
Oh, okay. What is all this? Can you tell me the name of the vegetable you put?
I don't know.
What is this red thing?
But tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes and some delicious piaz.
It's yes. And this, what is this green one?
Wait, I'm gonna say later.
This the green one. What is this?
I'm gonna say later.
Okay. Why don't you say right now?
Now, everyone will just guess this is chicken.
No, this is matar paneer. You're making. See, this is matar and paneer, right?
It's not big.
Every day you want to help me, na?
Yeah. And every day I'm gonna help you when you struggle with your food. So I'm just gonna.
If I struggle,
Yeah,
then.
I'm gonna make you a big, nice food.
Be careful.
I have a paneer.
Are you eating paneer or making paneer?
Eating paneer.
It's yummy. It's good.
The
This
taste,
paneer is fresh.
the taste of this is bad.
Is it?
Yeah, we need to cook it and it will taste good.
Okay. I'm gonna keep it either.
That time it was too much.
Mm-hmm.
There's oil in there.
Yes,
No.
everything. Yes, everything.
I'm not gonna take
We have to make a puree out of this, okay?
There go. There's piaz in there.
It's okay. Keep it.
I'm just gonna do like that.
Put everything in, eh? Put it everything.
I'm just gonna do like this and this.
The paneer and fry the.
When the oil is hot, then we can put on the paneer in
Slowly,
there.
okay? Slowly. Put it.
Okay, I'll just put it for one. Oh no.
Keep it here.
Stick it on there. When there's many.
Don't put the matar, okay? Only paneer, okay? Slowly gonna all gonna splash, okay? Slowly. You want me to help?
Can you help me?
Okay.
No, this is together.
It's okay. You don't have to. It will come. Sorry, don't put the mortar, okay?
Don't let us get there.
Okay.
Oh no! Don't look at that! Don't look at that!
Overacting. Okay, now.
That is fine. Finally. How I can do this?
Yeah, like that.
I'm gonna.
Let me help you, okay?
You do that, and I'll just see the mother there have.
See?
It's gonna be loud.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I think it's done.
No, see on top of it?
Okay.
Oh
No, don't touch, don't touch. It's too hard.
no! It's full.
Okay, one more time.
So we can. Oh no!
Bas ho gaya.
I said, look, the pieces.
Oh, yeah, I
coming.
know.
My ingredients are ready. So now we have to put some masala on this fried.
Okay.
So that's how
Little bit, okay, na?
Little bit.
Yes.
Only this much.
Little bit more.
Little bit more.
That's it.
Oh no, too
That's
much.
it.
Too
It's-
much.
No, that's good. That's good.
That's too much.
Not so much. It's good.
I just put it
Can you
medium.
Yeah.
And I fry it.
Yeah, little bit.
Little more.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
You want me to put the masala or you gonna put it on yourself?
You put it on myself.
But it will splash.
I don't want to splash
Let me
it.
help you, okay? Slowly.
Now I'm going to just do like this.
Slowly.
It's done now. And do it so. Look at my I made paneer pasa. Why the dude is lost? Why?
It's done now, na? You have to put some
Can
haldi.
you put this? First I'm gonna put haldi powder. Little bit less.
Little bit, okay? Show me for. Oh my God, that's too much.
Little bit.
What is that?
This much.
No, little bit more.
No, why? I told you. You just say little bit more, little bit more.
Yeah. I think little bit more.
Hey! Stop saying that! This is enough! Enough sense!
You don't like spicy?
Hey!
Look,
hey!
I'm gonna tell you. Sona, listen. I think this much is good. Yeah. Don't touch with hand. Yeah. Put that. Everything. Nice. Very good. Now you have to put the jeera powder.
I want to wow!
Jeera powder.
Jeera powder is only a little bit now.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's good enough. No,
Okay.
that's too much. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah.
No.
Put
No,
it.
No.
Little bit more.
Huh? Why? Okay.
We need a little bit. Yes. Oh, that's good. Can you mix it now?
Mix it
all the
hard.
masalas.
I need a mixing so agitate means mixing.
Okay.
You forgot?
Okay, sorry.
Editing is mixing, na?
Yes, I think so.
And
Can you mix the masala? It will burn. Wait.
Editing. Oh, wow. Editing. Wow. That's all starting. Okay.
Now you have to put salt.
Lot of salt.
No, not a lot of salt. Okay.
Lot of salt. Like. Little bit like this.
That's too much. That's too much.
What?
Wait. I'm gonna give you the salt. Then you can put this much. Yeah, this is good enough. Put it.
I'm gonna put the last ingredient.
Okay.
You forgot to say to me. You forgot to say to me that
I think we have to put the ginger.
put the last thing is to put the paneer.
Yes, last. First we have to make all the masala. Don't put right now.
Put the masala.
You have to cook the masalas, okay?
Masalas.
Yes. Now let
You
cook.
make the masala. Masala. Look, we're gonna make the masala. Make the masala.
Oh, be careful.
Oh no. like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes, I know. But can you line up this thing, choppy thing?
Okay, let me help you. Okay.
This is all tiny.
Done yet? Not
Yes,
really. You have to mix a little bit more.
That's all, and the masala is done.
Is
Okay.
it? No, not now. A little bit more. Okay.
Oh, okay.
When the masala and oil get separate, then masala will be cooked. Okay.
And I'm just gonna look at these pieces and I'm gonna eat one of this.
Ah, that's funny.
Dad,
You're not
this-
supposed to eat that. Is it good?
Is this good?
Mm.
Now, when it's cooked, now it's ready to eat.
What happened? Are you tired? Thirsty? You have to sit down and drink water, okay? Okay. You done?
That means I'm thirsty and tired. I was saying like that.
Okay.
And so you can not understand.
So sorry.
That language is Oh yeah, okay, make my
What's wrong? Inaya, what are you gonna be when you grow up?
I'm just gonna put some little
Oh no! Don't put oil, water. Inaya, what are you gonna be when you grow up?
nothing.
What? You were saying something.
A doctor?
Oh, you want to be a doctor?
Yeah.
And what are you gonna be do then?
Nurse. I'm also gonna be a nurse.
Nurse.
Yeah, nurse is also a doctor's team.
Doctor theme. Okay. What they do? What they do?
They just get everyone better.
Oh, everyone better.
And I don't know what nurse do, but I know how to say it. But I don't know nurse spelling. I know nurse spelling. N-E-E.
No. N-U-R-S-E.
No! That's not nurse.
Can you put the paneer and matar right
I'm
now?
not too scared. Oh, the paneer is not there.
No.
You said
Pick up the plate. Pick up the plate. Yeah. Put everything. Slowly.
I can't.
That's it. Now mix it.
Now mixing time. Rock and roll.
Let me help
You mix our cool. Now the paneer is done, now.
No, you have to cook a little bit matar. Actually, matar is already cooked.
And what about the one?
You have to mix with masala.
We have to put a little bit more masala.
No, we're done.
Now what we have to do?
Now let's cover it. Okay, now put little bit water, okay? Not much. Slowly. That's it. Wait, don't put more. No, Inaya, no, don't put. It's too much water.
Now what are we gonna do?
Make it dry a little bit, okay? I think it's good now.
You said you don't want any more water, but I drink a last piece of water.
Piece of water?
Yeah, there's a little bit only.
Okay.
So I drink it.
Oh, you drink it. Yeah, you have to drink it.
I don't have.
No. Why are you doing this? Is your paneer done? You have to put the green. Oh, yeah, I think dhania patta. You have to put the dhania patta.
I'm gonna put myself a wrap.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit there, a little bit there.
Put everything.
And I'm just gonna spread it like that. So it can be spread it everywhere. There, spread it everywhere. Spread it everywhere. Spread it everywhere.
Pick up the plate and put it everything, na?
Water.
Yeah, like
No,
this.
yes.
You can do that, like
Spread
that.
it everywhere. Spread it everywhere.
You're done.
Spread it,
Done.
Done.
It's done.
Now the last thing is to
No.
Finish.
Paneer is ready.
Now we have to make roti.
Roti? You want to make roti too?
Yeah.
No, it's okay. I'm going to...
Matar paneer are ready now. Now You have to enjoy and eat my matar paneer. First, I have to lift it up and you can see it. Ready to
Looks
eat.
delicious, Inaya.
Now you have to
Good
ready.
job, Inaya. You made matar paneer. Yummy.
Only a little bit, mommy, help me, nah?
Yes. You.
Yeah, now next thing.
What are you gonna do next? It's done now.
Can I make roti and sabji also so I can make tasty?
Okay.
Can you try one? When it's tasty, you have to give it to me. When it's not tasty, don't give it to me, and I'm not gonna eat that ever again.
Okay. Okay, let's get down now.
Can you
Good
taste?
job, Inaya.
Can you taste it first?
Yeah, I'm gonna taste, but it's too hot right now.
No, eat it.
Okay, give me that plate.
Plate. Enjoy with your matar paneer. I'm just gonna give you a little bit more.
Okay, let me try. Okay.
When it's tasty.
Give me the spoon now. Give me the spoon now. How I'm gonna eat that?
Firework.
It's really hot.
Then eat it. It's fun to eat. You can eat it on one time. It has matar on it.
Mmm.
It tastes good. Give it to me then.
Okay.
Every day you have to tell me. Every time you have to tell me which tastes good.
Try. Okay. You have to try.
Okay.
Wait. It's too hot.
Oh, that's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat with roti.